Well, Aladdin here from Meribook. In this video, I would like to go over the share links option. And this is one of those functionalities that is really unique to Meribook. You will not find it anywhere else. So with that said, what I would like to show you is the fine-grained control that you have within Meribook when you want to share something. So in my case here, I have Business Foundation, Sales and Scaling, and I have the share enabled. And if you click on the code, you'll get the link that you can use to share with your tribe, right? So I have that copied and I'll open that up in a new page here. So you can see that up here, I'm not showing as a logged in user. This is visible to anybody who has that link. Now you'll see that I have the first chapter, the second chapter, and the third chapter, but the third chapter is locked. Let me show you how that happens. If we come back here, I'm going to close that out. Let me actually go into the book itself. At the book level, that's the link that I had copied and shown you in that other tab. At the chapter level, this chapter is also visible. And if I expand, you can see this section is also visible. And then within this chapter, which is also visible, you have two sections. One is enabled, one is disabled. And this chapter here is disabled. So if we come back here, I want you to pay attention to the second chapter, which has two sections. Only one should be visible. So if I come back here, if I expand, you'll see the first section is disabled or locked, and the second is enabled. So that's because I've shared the book level link and I'm able to see everything here. Now, here's the fun part. Let's say I go into this founder chapter podcast and this chapter only has one section. If we look at this link, this is a completely different link. And I have that open here. So here's the founder podcast, which is my chapter. This also shows the book, and this only has one section. So if I clicked on the business foundation, it does nothing because I have only shared this one chapter itself and the section within it. So you can see the level of control that you have is just unbelievable, and it might seem a little bit complicated at first, but it is really not if you start looking at it from a book chapter section perspective. It'll become easy. Okay, that's it for this overview. We'll cover our marketing features in the next video. Thanks. Bye.